My all respected friends, please, the photo shows the present position of substandard work in maintenance practices of electrical lines totally against the promise given by our nation's constitution for accident-free electricity. This shall be noted all for such anomalies and practice of doing all the work as per rules, regulations shall be established. Myself, Ramdas Kandagare.